I am so indecisive. Affiliate marketing with YouTube. Is that what I really want? My journey. I first started looking for free affiliate marketing courses for beginners, and there are many. However, I just didn't seem interested to hear what they had to say. Why? I was impatient. I wanted to get going. I had watched so many videos on making money with YouTube. I became overwhelmed and lost my way. So, I refocused. I finally decided to do a free affiliate marketing course I found on Skillshare. It was quick and basic, but I did get important beginner information I needed for my next steps. So, what came next? Well, research on YouTube. There were people on YouTube that I started to develop an affinity with, people I began to trust. They seemed to know what I needed. And now, I have my favorites that I follow. So, what's next for affiliate marketing with YouTube? Well, a paid masterclass from one of my favorites. Subscribe for my next video, the masterclass on my journey in affiliate marketing with YouTube.